Hello, and welcome to Nisaru Technology. A special welcome to all our subscribers, thank you for being here. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you're always up to date with our latest videos. In our last lesson we learned about the discrete manufacturing. Let us see now the process manufacturing and the lean manufacturing methods. Process manufacturing is common in the food, beverage, chemical, pharmaceutical, consumer packaged goods, and biotechnology industries. In process manufacturing, the relevant factors are ingredients, formulas, and bulk materials rather than parts, bills of materials, and individual units. Here are some of the characteristics of process manufacturing. Uses a formula or recipe. Blends products together in a batch. Builds or produces a product that can't be taken apart or be reversed. It involves variable ingredients. Generates product outputs such as coproducts and byproducts. Makes products in bulk quantities, such as paints, pharmaceuticals, beverages, and food products. Measures raw material ingredients in formulas by weight or volume instead of pieces. Contains minimal interruptions. Has one or more standard sizes, batch sizes, that are scaled for a quantity greater than 1. Manages short and long shelf life and stringent quality standards. Has potentially one or more product outputs. Accounts for waste, loss as yield, which is the ratio between output and input. Requires containerized packaging. Provides full or partial visibility of catch weight functionality. Manages inventory batch. What about lean manufacturing? Lean manufacturing is a method that focuses on minimizing waste within manufacturing systems while simultaneously maximizing productivity. Discrete manufacturing is often associated with lean manufacturing. Characteristics of lean manufacturing include: reduces waste efficiently while maintaining productivity. Addresses waste resulting from overburdened resources and workload imbalances. Focuses on enhancing value-added processes while minimizing non-value-adding activities. Originates from the Toyota production system and recognized for targeting the original 7 types of waste identified by Toyota. TIMWOOD is an acronym for the 7 wastes found in manufacturing. These wastes are transportation, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. Some of the principles of lean manufacturing are: creating flow, pull, and striving for perfection. Let us see them in details. Creating flow that creates the value process flow wherever possible in the process. You can use one-piece flow by linking all the activities and processes into the most efficient combinations to maximize value-added content while minimizing waste. The waiting time of work in progress. Pull is the response to the customer's rate of demand that drives the supply chain. In other words, make only what the customer needs. With a pull concept, based on a supply chain view from downstream to upstream activities, nothing is produced by the upstream supplier until the downstream customer signals a need. Striving for perfection, the last lean principle is to strive for perfection. Lean is a journey of continuous improvement. The goal is to produce exactly what the customer wants in the most economical manner. Perfection is an aspiration, and anything and everything can be improved. Different types of products call for unique manufacturing processes, so each product type and production setup may require a distinct order type. D365 Supply Chain Management enables a complete, end-to-end production process, regardless of the manufacturing method. The production lifecycle, starting with a production order in discrete manufacturing, a batch order in process manufacturing, or a Kanban in lean manufacturing, follows defined steps to create a finished item. With supply chain management, you have the flexibility to design and sustain an optimal manufacturing approach, whether you operate with discrete, lean, process-based, or a unified manufacturing model. Thank you. That is all for today. In our next video we will learn the manufacturing strategies with supply chain management. Please subscribe and like this video so that you get notified for the next video.